Is red meat safe? Clients often ask me if it's safe to consume red meat regularly. In general, the safety issue of consuming red meat revolves around the risk of cancer, preservatives used, and the cooking methods. I'm covering this topic in 3 parts. In the first part, I'm going to talk about the benefits and risks of eating unprocessed red meat. Part 2 covers the preservatives used in processed meat, and Part 3 covers cooking methods and some tips to reduce health risks. So is red meat safe? Let's break it down further into the benefits and the risks. Talking about the benefits first. Now, unprocessed red meat is a rich source of first-class protein, conjugated linoleic acid, which is a natural healthy trans fat, iron, zinc, creatine, carnitine, and B-complex vitamins. Conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, has numerous health benefits including lowering body fat and long-term weight management. So overall, it does have a healthy profile. The saturated fat in unprocessed red meat does not seem to correlate with heart disease according to the latest studies. Coming to the risks, processed meat and red meat in general have been linked to an increased risk of colon cancer. Now, despite the statistical significance, the effect size is very small. Also remember, the risk for cancer does not only depend on meat consumption. If you drink, smoke, you're overweight with a high body fat percent and lead a sedentary lifestyle, your risk for cancer will be higher automatically. A substance produced during digestion and metabolism of meat called trimethylamine N-oxide, or TMAO, could be the possible link between red meat and disease. TMAO levels can be reduced by eating a fiber-rich diet that modulates good gut bacteria. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, collard greens, kale, and turnips contain substances that protect against cancer. So make sure that you consume your greens along with your meat. Overall, unprocessed red meat can be consumed regularly. Select organic grass-fed meat if you have an option. Also, if you have a medical condition, consult your dietitian on how much is good for you. Stay tuned for part 2 where I explain about the preservatives used in processed meat and why they can be unhealthy. Hope you found this information useful. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. You may also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.